guys, it's me again, Leila. Today I'm going to be opening this L.O.L. and she's excited too. So let's put her down over here. Let's get opening. Hard to open the present. And let's hope these work. No. It looks like we first have to wrap this. Yes, that's what we had to do. I guess I didn't know. Now take out our surprises. Oh my goodness. Let's open it up. So I think this one is the doll because it has different wrapping. Let's put the tracks down here. And it comes with a little bag. That's so adorable. But with nothing inside. And our clue is party clock. Okay. Let's get on to this. We need to see what this is. We can't just have it waiting. I see what it is. It's the little bracelet. Now put the chest down. Let's open up this bag. This is the outfit. Wow. And instead of getting those, we got the chest. So we didn't open this baggie. So I wonder what it is. It's pretty big, so. But it can't be the dolly because it's all flat. Or it can be a balloon dolly. So, yes, it is something. The headband, as course. The bottle. Wow. So amazing. We need to open up this. What is it? The shoes. It feels just like them. Yes, it is the shoes. I wonder what's in that baggie. The shoes are so glittery. Wow. Amazing. Now we got the bag. Let's open up our doll. Wait. We didn't open up this one yet. We need to open it first. Yes. It is the slice of cake. Oh, I should have forgotten that there's 8 surprises. Okay, our doll. She's so adorable. Wow. She's gonna be for a new school. Her dress is really floppy, so it's gonna be easier to put on. So let's just put it on. I got a lot of dresses. Now she looks like this. Wow. Now let's put on her shoes. So we got enough for her glittery shoes. Remember I showed that was so amazing. Her shoes are glittery. Sparkle, fashion. Even the bracelet is fashion. And now let's put on her headband. We got our L.O.L. She's so adorable, guys. And her bottle. Now we need to take off her stuff so we can check if she's a color changer or not. Okay, if we can just move these. Let's check into hot water. Okay, a bit of spill. I guess because it's wet, but we can fix that. She can buy her clothing. She can, oops, I'll pick that up. Her head fell. Now let's put her in the water. It doesn't look like it. Wait. Those parts wet like that. Let's see what she did. Okay. She just did it! Oh, she's all wet. Now let's move this aside. Let's get onto the cold water. She's a color changer. Well, we know she is a spitter, so she's not a color changer. So let's then look on the collector's guide what she is, and the dolls, really. I don't really know a lot of them, because I never got this. Yes, oh yes, I need to look at this. Okay. Yeah, you wanted her. You want her, and her. And I have her. She's a spitter, and she is color changer. She's a peer. She's another color changer, and she's a quiet. She's a peer, and she's a spitter, which is mine that we know. And then that one is a color changer, and that one is a spitter. That one is a quiet, and that one is another color changer, and that one is a spitter, and that one is another color changer. This is the collector's guide of all the dolls. Now let's let her dry up on the table. Now she wanted to say that we have a paper towel because we can dry her up, because a towel dropping from the sky. So let's dry her up. And now let's put on back her clothes. We don't need that. But she is amazing. I think this is one of my favorite dolls yet. Alright guys, it was a blessed day. But I hope you had a great time watching with our new L.O.L. So, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Bye.